Hello everyone, and welcome to another tutorial from nfixitonline.com. Now in this tutorial we're going to show you how to back up your favorite movies using DVDFAB. The actual version I'm using is DVDFAB Platinum, and I'll tell you it's well worth the $49 that they asking for, or the $50. They also have a gold version which has less features, but it does the job also. And the gold version is actually $40, $39.99. Okay, so we're going to show you how DVDFAB is not only a more powerful tool than DVD decrypter, but it actually combines DVD decrypter and DVD shrink in one. Okay, and there's actually also many other things you can do with DVDFAB Platinum. This is the screen here. I'll go over it briefly. Click on this here. You can convert your movie to play on your iPod, PSP, Microsoft Zoom, PlayStation 3, Xbox 360, NDS, and so many others. And we will have future tutorials on that also. Today we're just going to back up our movie from the original to a backup copy so we can have it just in case something happens to our original. Okay, and they have a few options here over here on the left that we will go through. Here's the full disc, and it actually shows you in the small menu that pops up. This copies the whole movie with the, of course, compression to your regular blank disc. This option here allows you to just copy the main movie, and you can cut out the subtitles, previews, and so forth. This option here, split, allows you to copy a DVD non-movie into two DVDFAB discs. You have 100% quality without any compression. So if you're willing to do that, that's also an option. This option here allows you to copy specific title, audio, sub picture, and so forth into your movie and leave out whatever you want to leave out. Okay, the customize split allows you to copy a DVD non into two DVDFAB movies the way you want to. Put whatever you want to put in there. Now the clone allows you to, actually this is a good method to copy games, PlayStation 2 or Xbox games, because it's a one-to-one. This is what you call a one-to-one copy. It's an actual clone of the disc, nothing left out. Okay, merging allows you to combine two DVD non-movies into one. Now when I say DVD non, that's a dual layer disc. That's actual 8 or 9 gigabytes worth of space. But a lot of movies you know comes with maybe a special edition and then the main movie, so it'll come with two discs. So if you have that, you can, instead of making two separate copies, you can put both of those on one disc. And the write data actually allows, if you have an ISO image or DVD files, you can just straight burn it here if you choose to. Okay, and I'll get to this in a bit, but this is your main window here, and the first thing you want to do is you want to insert your source disk. Now this is the movie that you want to actually back up, and you put that in your DVD-ROM drive, also considered the source drive. Cancel that, and as soon as it's recognized, DVDFAB starts the process already on what it has to do with the disc. Okay, of course, now your target or destination drive will be your DVD burner. You put that disc in now. Let that go. Of course, you always, as soon as you insert a disc, you're going to get the Windows message asking you what you want to do with the disc. Open it up in the DVD, open it up in Windows Explorer, etc., etc. And just cancel that out. This is the screen here. I'm just going to cancel that. Okay, now the movie I'm copying is an old gangster movie called Mobsters. Okay, so you have the volume label here. Or if this is a homemade movie, you can also type the name of the movie you want. In this case, we'll leave it at default. Here, this asking you the size of the DVD blank. Now most of the time when you buy a blank DVD, it's going to be DVD5. That's the single layer DVD. and that's why DVD programs like DVDFAB and DVD decrypter is popular. And it's showing you the quality, the size, etc. Now this movie here, for it to have 96% quality, and I'll show you in a bit, obviously it's not a dual layer disc, or it's not so large. Go inside my computer, and you see here the movie Mobsters show here is only 4.37 gigabytes, so it's a single layer disc itself. Now had it been a dual layer disc, the quality would have been a little less and the compression would be higher. Okay, now getting back to where it says write data, what this button here is about. Yes, if I wanted to, I can just click on here, this button here, and it asks me if I want to create an ISO image. And what it does actually is an ISO image. It's just an image of the disk. MSD file is also the same ISO image file, and I can copy it later on in Nero, or I can burn it here, and that's what the write data button there is about. But we're just gonna go right to the DVD burner from the source to the target. Okay, so with all that being said, this is a basic overview of the power of DVDFAB. All you have to do is click on start.